What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I just bought this. It's called a Wave LED floor lamp in jet black. I picked it up because I needed a lamp, kind of a low floor lamp. I've got a bay window where I want to actually put this in, and so it's already a foot and a half off the ground, so I don't want it to be really tall. And this is what comes inside this box, and so I'm going to do a little true unboxing with you. You'll see we can do this pretty quick. Here's the base. It's pretty heavy. It's metal. It's like 1/8 of an inch maybe. It's got like a felt pad on the bottom and a 1/2 inch like screw hole on the top there. So that's going to hold it down. We also have some paperwork. Here's interesting. It's just a printout, but you can see here what we've got. We've got this like wavy pole. So it's like a pole lamp. It's not pole dancing. That's something else. Then we have a power cable here, non-grounded 2-prong outlet with a box, pretty long cord, and a single prong. Looks like kind of your standard single prong laptop connector there. And then on this side, not a lot of pieces, to be really honest. Oh, there's something there that I almost threw away. A little silver cap, which will probably go on there somewhere. And then we have the wave lamp pole itself, and it's actually pretty light. So, as you can see here, it's plastic, and it's black plastic on this side, and then it's like a tube, and then it's translucent white plastic on this side, and as you can see, it's got a very big S shape. We do have like chrome hardware down here at the bottom where the plug fits in, and that'll screw into the base here. And then I guess we have this cap to just cap off the top right up here. Looks like, I don't know, you'll be able to see in there, but it's like LEDs on a strip inside the tube here. I'm just going to try to get this cap on here. There we go. And then I'm going to take this and screw the base on. Well, we got that on. Now down here we have a floor push button, one of these switches that you can just step on, and then here's the connector into the power cable. So I'm just going to plug that in here, and then let's plug this into some power and just see what it looks like. I'll dim the lights in here too so we can check it out in all its glory. Well, here it is. It's obviously a very warm white light. It's definitely got a yellow, almost orange tinge to it. And if I just hit this button here, looks like we go through some levels. So that's actually going down in brightness to off. So high, medium, low, and off. Pretty cool. I definitely dig it. I will tell you what, it's not that tall. Kind of even has a lightsaber-ish look. It's pretty cool looking. I would say, if I put it on the ground, it's only maybe about 4 feet tall, so I think it's going to fit in a lot of places. And that's exactly what I needed, because this is going to be a little off the floor, and this gives me about 18 inches to get this foot switch down to the floor. Pretty cool. If you've got limited space, want a modern look, warm white light, and a black lamp, definitely works. But it's pretty energy efficient too. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda out. It kind of even